This is the before on our powder room. Everything got removed, the mirror and the sink, because we're going to be putting in new mirror and sink and everything else besides the toilet, because the toilet is new. And in case I get questions about what wallpaper I am using, it is Norwal solid vinyl wall covering, designed and created in Canada. And here is the product code. I really like the wallpaper, and I think it's gonna look really beautiful in this bathroom. The powder room is not too big, but our wallpaper lady recommended us buying 3 of these. So that's what I did. And I just got these at a local wallpaper store in my area. And this is the finished wallpaper. It looks so pretty. I absolutely love the skinny stripes so much better. I'm so glad I went with those versus the thicker stripes. And I also love how it makes the room look so much taller than before. Show you the view from this side. Now we're going to be doing all of the fun stuff, which includes putting in the sink and the faucet and all the rest of the little gadgets that go in the bathroom. I wanted to show you guys these little guys. So this one is a toilet paper holder, and this is the towel holder, and they're from the brand, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but you can see it right there. And I got it off of Amazon, and I really like them. They're very contemporary style, and they're the color brushed bronze. They also come with all of the hardware that you need to install them. The next thing that it's time for is to install our pedestal sink, and it's from the brand Kohler. We purchased this at Home Depot online, and they sent it right to our door. It comes in a pedestal and then this top part. No, we have to put it together. How are you doing there?
I'm okay.
It's hard, right?
Yeah.
Before the sink gets installed, I wanted to show you really quickly. This is the brand and then the model number. I wanted to make sure that it came with this pop-up piece so it matched the faucet. We have finally installed this pedestal sink, and now we are testing the water. Make sure that the faucet is working. It's so rewarding when you see something that you put together even though it took hours. Alright, we're gonna test this little stopper now. It works! You gotta make sure that there's no drips where the piping is at.
Turn off the water. Now I'm gonna check with a flashlight. The water?
Let go?
Yeah. Everything looks pretty good.
Thanks to you. As for the mirror, it is from Home Goods. And for us to hold the mirror on the wall, we're using these Gorilla hooks. We find that they're the easiest thing to put stuff on the wall with, and safe, and ensure that it's gonna actually stay on and not fall. You want to make sure it's nice and level and prepped before you put up the mirror, because that way you only put it up once, right? You do it right, and you only need to put it up once. I totally forgot to vlog this on my camera, so I'm bringing my phone with me. We had to make a stop at Home Depot to get some extra stuff for the installation. And we're currently looking a gold light fixture, and they don't have very many, but we've looked online and those are actually a lot cheaper than the ones that we've seen online, these two. And I like how it has a little bit of black on it, and it would match the look perfectly. We found another one we liked. We're just checking to see if it matches.
It does. And this is the size of the sink.
Oh, okay. So it probably would even look better. Yeah.
So it would be the size of the sink, the mirror, and then the sink.
Yeah.
Whereas this one is really cheap. It does match our thing. It's just
we're just not sure. It may look nice, but we're not. We would have to put it on the wall and see how it would look with the mirror.
This one comes with everything we need.
Yeah.
Honestly. And this one is the 3. So it comes to $94 just within our budget.
Yeah. All right, now the debate is going to be whether or not I'm going to go with these 3 or just 1. And in order to do that, I'm going to have to open them both up, put them above the mirror, and see which one I think looks best. We shall see. Okay, so quick update. We decided not to go with this one because when we put it at the very top, it was hitting this part of the mirror, and you can flip it up, but I really didn't like the look of it. And then as soon as we kind of test fitted that one and we put it up, I felt like it looked so much better. So we're gonna go with the 3. A little update on the progress. We've put in our light fixtures. However, we're not too happy with how the lights look because they're kind of yellow tint, and where they're warm toned and we prefer the daylight cool tone, but these are the lights that came with the light fixture, so we're gonna have to go back to Home Depot and change that out. But this is how it's looking so far. Now we're just going to install the towel hanger thing and then the toilet paper one, and then we'll be done. Oh yeah, and I also quickly wanted to show you what we did here. I purchased the satin brass finish covers, and these we got in black, which I think looks really cool to make a nice contrast with what we've got going on in here. And I helped install this, even taught me some electric work, and I was able to do it. And here's the final reveal of our powder room. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching how we put this room together, and it's nice to see when everything is complete. Even though it took so long, it's nice to see it come together. I know you hardly saw me in this video, and that was because I was filming, and then when I wasn't filming, I was helping Steven with all of the installations. As far as the rug, I did get that from Target from the Project 62 line, and I'm also going to be adding a black towel over there, which I have not purchased yet. And I wanted to ask for your opinion. I was thinking about doing some kind of wall art over here, but I wanted to know what you guys thought. So if you have any ideas, let me know down below in the description box. I will be checking your comments out. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye guys.